Hello, welcome to Williams Crawford. It's Walkabout Wednesday, doing this on a Wednesday, and our poor marketing department, aka Leon and Ollie, will be pulling their hair out that I've left it so late. But today I wanted to talk to you about a little bit of history. Let me show you a few things. Well, as you know, we're called Williams Crawford. Now, I'm the Adrian Crawford and originally started this business in 1991. And for the best part of 20 years, Richard Williams ran a garage and he used to do all my maintenance. And so he had a really good handle on Porsche. And we've got an old friend here with us. My business really took off in the mid-90s when I started importing Porsche from Germany, left-hand drives, and I got a name for supplying really good, low mileage, honest examples, which is exactly what you could get over in Germany and save a load of money, albeit they were left-hand drives. Now, one of them remains in my memory, and it's this particular car. And for this one was unusual in that it didn't actually come from Germany. It was a Swedish car, but supplied by my German dealer at the time. And it's a 964 C2. And when it turned up, it was utterly immaculate. And I sold it to a motoring photographer, and he was super fussy. Now, the car gradually got developed, and although when I first got it, if I remember rightly, it was just a completely standard Carrera 2 non-sunroof car, what the Americans call slick tops. It gradually got developed into what was essentially the qualities of a 964 RS without having to spend quite so much money. So it's quicker, it's got the lightweight clutch and flywheel, optimized engine, which we've rebuilt. We did a glass out repaint on it, and it's got good suspension, great brakes. Then in the last hand, we installed Hygo cage and Recaro pole positions and had it set up so as it was capable of a little bit of motorsport, sprints, hill climbs, that sort of thing. Now, the great thing with this car is that it's always remained good. And the people that I've dealt with, and I think we've sold it 4 or 5 times, people that I've dealt with have remained friends of ours, and I know that the second owner that I sold it to here, Mark, is still in Cornwall, and when he sees this, he'll recognise too this old friend. And that's what this business and these cars are all about, is creating memories, connecting you with people, and this one, of all the things I've got in the showroom, really illustrates it. So my first time I touched it was in 1999, and I've been handling that car ever since, and now we're looking for a new owner. Now, of course, the business has got rather significantly bigger than when I used to just drive to Germany or fly to Germany and drive these things home. We've got all sorts of things. This is another, dare I say, old customer of mine, not old in age, of course, but someone that I've been dealing with for probably the best part of 20 years. This one I've had many times before. This is a close customer who we've dealt with multiple times, and the whole business has so many connections with the people. So I think it's what separates us from what I'd call normal motor trade. And no one here, whether it's in the workshop or in the restoration wants to be normal motor trade. If you would like help with anything that we do, and that is sales, brokerage, consignment, buying, financing, car finder or Porsche finder, restoration, motorsport, engine and transmission building. Oh my goodness me, we even build cars specifically for clients, so bespoke work. If you'd like help with that and want to speak to someone that's friendly and knowledgeable, then here we are. Give us a tinkle at Williams Crawford. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you again soon.